Hello, welcome to Teresa Crafts and More. My name's Teresa, and today we're going to be making a Valentine's garland. So I'm using red yarn for this, and I went ahead and I measured it and I draped it the way I wanted it to drape. And let me show you how it's going across like this. Now, you could also drape yours vertically like this and hang like several from the ceiling or maybe down from your drapes. Or wherever you want to put this. I'm just going to be putting mine in the dining room right here. Okay, since I'm draping mine that direction, I'm going to be attaching mine this direction. But if you're doing it vertically, you might want to attach it this way. So it's hanging down like this. Okay, so what I have here is I have felt stickers from the dollar store. And I actually got 2 packages. I don't think I'm going to be using the whole 2 packages. Okay, so I am peeling off one and trying to detach it from my fingers. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to peel off the same size. I'm going to leave a bit of a space. You don't want the heart right on the end. And I have hooks that I'm putting mine on, so I want a little bit of room to tie a couple knots to the hooks. You could use tacks or double-sided tape or like foam tape, which be careful with that one because of the paint on your wall. But I happen to have hooks up there from Christmas. Okay, so I'm gonna leave about that much space and start it out. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put the yarn in the middle of the heart on the sticky side, and then I'm going to take the other one and I'm going to place the other sticky heart on it so it's even with it. So I've got 1 sticker and 2 stickers right here. So go. So here's my first one. And there's all different, let's see, there's pink and white, and there's that size, and there's some other sizes in here. Like you have little smaller ones. I think there might be, and there's more of a medium. So I think I'll go ahead and I will do a medium white one next. And this isn't just going to be hearts. As you can see, there's paper left on the heart. These, the one thing about these hearts is I'm finding out they do not, the paper does not come off the back very easy. You have to really work with it. So I'm not liking that part of it, but so there's my string so far. All right. So now I also have from the dollar store, I've gotten some flowers and I chose kind of a purple color, and I'm going to pull the flower off, and on the back of the flower is the green thing, and I've started this one. Let me show you here. Get some yarn. So I cut a piece of yarn and I'm going to go around all the green leafy part of the bottom of the rose, the fake rose. And then I'm just going to pull it in tight like this. Let me straighten it out so I have tying on both sides the same length. Okay, so now I'm going to attach this to my garland. I'm just gonna go under it like this. I'm gonna tie a knot on it right here. And then I'm gonna go and I'm gonna tie one more just to secure it. Pull it tight. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to cut it off really close to it. And then the same with this side. Carefully don't cut the main string that it's on. Otherwise you will lose half your garland string. All right, so go ahead and turn my hearts back right side up here. There we go. So there's that one. Now I got pom-pom garland at Dollar Tree. And if I didn't say, I got the flowers from Dollar Tree too. So I cut off the knot that they had on the end. And yes, this is garland. I'm making garland with garland. But this is already all attached to the string and I wanted it on my garland. So I cut off the knot on the end and then I cut off some of the string it was attached to, enough that I could tie with it. So I have this right here. So now I'm going to do the same with the string. I'm going to go under the yarn and I am going to attach the pom-pom to the yarn. And then I'm going to do another knot just so it's secure. And then I'm going to cut it. And I mean, you could hot glue these on, but this seems much easier than hot gluing these little things with your hands and burning your fingers. Oops. All right, so let me show you my garland again. So now we have the hearts and the pom-pom. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do some more hearts in that order. And you can, of course, make this in any way you want it. If you wanted to do 4 hearts and then a rose, or no roses, or you could change the color of the roses. Okay, I think I figured out a better way to get this paper off because it really is stubborn getting this off. I actually just kind of started to tear it a little bit. And it doesn't seem to tear the felt on the other side because it's strong enough. So, and by tearing it, it just kind of gets it going. So, yeah. You can see it's still being stubborn, but it does get it started. So, because I was having trouble just even starting the paper off of the heart. Ah, see? Yeah. There we go. And of course now I have a little bit of a dent in my heart. Here we go. Okay. Yeah, this seems to work better. And I'm gonna choose just to keep the same pattern going red, medium white, and large pink, large red at the beginning. And I'm not going to use the small ones because those are even worse getting the paper off. Maybe I could try the tear thing with them. Well, it does seem to come off that way by tearing it like that. So I think I'm going to just stick with the other sizes though. But yeah, see, it does work. All right, so I'm going to continue on and I'm going to do the whole entire string. And you know what? Another thing you could add was maybe some big beads to it, like in the middle of things. All right, I've got the garland all finished. I've got it hanging up, as you can see. And like I said before, you could do this straight down from like the curtains or the shelves if you wanted. Maybe do them in shorter strands when you do that. And I hope you liked my video. Please give it a thumbs up and thank you for watching. Bye.